How to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix WhatsApp's voice message problem, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to fix WhatsApp's voice message problem, now this issue could be happening due to a couple of reasons, and there are a couple of ways down the lane on which you might fix it. If one doesn't work, try the other. The first is that let's say you're on WhatsApp, right, and then you're just trying to send a voice message to someone, but your voice and audio is actually not getting recorded. Then what can you do in those cases? The first thing I want you to do is long press the WhatsApp app icon, then just tap on the app info button to come to the app information page here. And once you're on the app information page, you want to simply scroll, go to storage and cache, and then just make sure to clear the cache file. So do not tap on clear storage because that will delete the chats for you. So just tap on clear cache only. After you've done that, simply go to this option known as permissions. Once you go to permissions, make sure to look for microphone and then make sure it is set to allow. So if you do not allow the microphone permissions for WhatsApp, WhatsApp will not be able to record the voice using your microphone. So that's how it works. Also make sure to allow camera permissions if you're having other video issues as well. Now once you've done that, just for the final check, open up your WhatsApp, then open up your Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. Check if the WhatsApp app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update the app to the latest version. And after you've done this, you can simply open up WhatsApp, just try to send a voice message to that person, and you should be good to go from there onwards. This way you can fix WhatsApp voice message problem. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.